want to solve this challenge in less than 30 seconds. All we have to do is to make sure we express this in a number raised to its whole self. So this will now give us s to the power of x equal to your 3. Each one could be expressed as 3 times 27. So we have here 3 times 27. Again, remember the law. We say that if you have a to the power of bx, this is same thing as our a to the power of x into our b. Okay, so you remember this law. So if we apply that here, then this will now give us s to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 close bracket all raised to 27. So this will now give us s to the power of x. This is equal to 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. So we're having 27 to the power of 27. So let's compare. We're having s to the power of x here, and here 27 to the power of 27. So it also means that our x is equal to 27. Easy. So if you learned something from this, give the video a thumbs up. More videos are coming on your way. Bye.